Hi guys, hope you're well. I'm back in the Valve Automation Centre today, so just thought I'd do you another quick behind the scenes video of a really interesting package we've been working on this week. We've got the F89 Keystone Actuator, we've got the double acting version here, and we've fit in the Westlock AVID SmartCal Electro-pneumatic positioner. And the customer in this particular instance has asked us to fit a regulator on there and pipe all the connections up for them using swage lock pipe and fittings, which we've done. We've also been asked if we can actually coat the pipe with a PVC coating, which we've done that for them as well. And then between the positioner and the actuator, the customer actually wanted us to fit an IFM sensor. So we've actually manufactured a bracket, we've fit the IFM sensor, and on the puck that controls the positioner with the Hall effect sensor, and there's two strikers, so that will make the IFM sensor on the fully open and the fully closed position. It's fitted with this field wireable connector, so the customer can just wire into there and then straight on plug on there, and away they go. So quite a nice little package for us, this. Quite interesting, something a bit out of the ordinary. So just thought I'd do a little video to show you what's going on here at Valve and Process Solutions. Thanks for watching.